Do you want to create engaging videos with AI animated characters like the popular channels 10x Income and Digital Income Project? These channels attract millions of views with their amazing talking animation characters. But creating these characters often requires time-consuming software like Adobe After Effects. What if I told you that you can create similar videos using 100% free tools? Yes, you heard me right. No need to pay for software pro versions like Canva Pro. We'll use only free tools, and I'll show you how to do it even on mobile devices. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a character with CapCut first. Generate a character with CapCut, a free mobile app for creating videos and animations. Download CapCut from the Google Play Store or App Store. Open it and tap on the text-to-image option. Write a detailed description of your character, including their appearance, personality, and any unique features they should have. For instance, you could describe a character wearing a green hoodie with brown hair and a friendly smile. Be as specific as possible to get the best results. Once you've entered the description, set the aspect ratio to 16.9 for a standard widescreen format and select the highest image quality. Click on Generate, and CapCut will create 4 images based on your text in seconds. If you want more variations, click Regenerate until you find the perfect image that matches your vision. Once satisfied, tap on the upscale option to enhance the image quality and save it to your phone. Step 2. Modify the background with Adobe Firefly. Next, use Adobe Firefly to modify the background. Create a new account on Adobe Firefly and head to the Generative Fill tool. Upload your character image and start customizing the background. You can remove unwanted elements and add new ones to create a more dynamic scene. For example, you can replace a cup by clicking on the area you want to remove and typing coffee cup into the prompt box. The AI will generate a replacement that blends seamlessly into the background. You can add other elements like a green plant, bookshelf, window, microphone, and clock to enhance the scene. Click on the areas where you want to add these items and type in the description. The AI will generate these elements, and you can choose the best options. This step allows you to create a rich, engaging background that complements your character. Once your background is ready, download the image. If you download directly, you will get a watermark. Use ClipDrop's text remover to remove the watermark, or take a screenshot and enhance it with ClipDrop. This ensures you have a clean, professional image to use in your video. Step 3. Animate the character. The last step is to animate your character and make it talk. There are 2 methods to do this. Method 1. Using keyframes in Adobe After Effects and an AI tool called DID. This method requires editing knowledge and is more complex. Adobe After Effects allows you to use keyframes to animate your character's movements and expressions. DID, an AI tool, can create lifelike facial animations based on the text you input. While this method provides highly professional results, it is time-consuming and may not be suitable for beginners. If you're short on time or editing experience, consider Method 2. Method 2, a simpler method. Go to the Artflow AI website on your phone or desktop in desktop mode. Create an account and click on Video Studio, then New Video. Upload your image, and Artflow AI will detect the face and ask to enable speaking animation. Type what you want the character to say, choose an AI voice, or upload your own audio file, then click Export. Artflow AI will generate the video in a few minutes. Note that the video will have a watermark, which you can remove using the free AI tool, media.io. For a different approach, search YouTube for talking mouth green screen and download a video of a talking mouth. Remove the green screen using the free AI tool Unscreen. Upload your character image and the talking mouth video to Canva. Use the ColorZilla Chrome extension to pick the exact color of your character's face. Then create a square box element in Canva with this color. Resize the box to cover the character's mouth area. Place the talking mouth video on top of the square box and adjust the size and position. Your character design is now ready. Step 4. Add a free human-like voiceover. Get a free human-like voiceover from Elevan Labs. Select your desired voice, add the text, and download the voice file. Elevan Labs offers a variety of voices, allowing you to choose one that best fits your character's personality and style. Customize the voice settings to make it sound natural and engaging. Once you have the voice file, upload it to Canva and add it to the timeline of your video. Play the video to ensure everything fits perfectly. Adding a human-like voiceover enhances the realism of your animated character, making it more relatable and engaging for your audience. This step is crucial for creating a professional quality video that captures viewers' attention. Step 5. Finalizing your video. Now that your character is animated and has a voice, it's time to finalize your video. Use Canva or another video editing tool to add any final touches, such as background music, transitions, and text overlays. These elements can enhance the overall quality of your video and make it more appealing to your audience. When adding background music, choose a track that fits the mood and tone of your video. Make sure the music is not too loud so that it doesn't overpower the voiceover. Transitions between scenes should be smooth and not too distracting. Text overlays can be used to highlight key points or add additional information. After adding these elements, preview your video to ensure everything looks and sounds good. Make any necessary adjustments to achieve the best possible result. Once you're satisfied with the video, export it in high quality and share it on your preferred platforms.
Hello, I am a happy person looking to make a living from small businesses on the internet. If you want to know more, subscribe to this video and watch my other tutorials.
Voila! You've learned how to create and animate your own AI character using free tools. With a little practice, you can make your own unique characters and videos. These videos can gain massive views and even generate income through platforms like Instagram and YouTube. Check the links in the description for the tools mentioned. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.